Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So last two video of my Jordan series, I showed you guys about the Jordan 1s that I have. And if you guys are good with Jordans, you see these boxes, you should know which model of Jordans I'm about to show you guys. So yes, first one will be the Jordan 3. Look at the elephant print right here over the box. And let me show you the label. It's a 10.5, my size, and the colorway is the True Blue Free, which released in winter 2016, if I'm not mistaken. So let's open this bad boy up, and let me show you the paper first. Take a look at that. They put the elephant print all over the paper. Like you guys know, I love these little details. I really appreciate that. And now let's get into the shoes. So this retro, a lot of people hated on it just because of the fact that the material, some of the flaws, the QAs, and it was mass produced. So a lot of them was sitting in the stores, not selling, and end up going to the outlets. I unfortunately paid retail $2.95 Canadians for them. And some people I know, they got it like almost half price because they waited. I should have waited. So let's talk about the leather first. It is a little bit stiff. It is a little bit stiff. But would I say that because it's stiff is bad quality? I don't think so, because it is tumbly, but it is stiff. So I don't know. I'm not an expert of leather, but it doesn't feel plasticky. It doesn't feel like fake. And the biggest thing that caught my eye on these ones is the Nike Air at the back, because the last retro they used Jumpman Air instead of Nike. And I'm a huge fan of vintage retro. I want them to keep it the same as OG, so I love that when they put Nike Air back. The stitching on the Jumpman is super nice. You don't see that little ass crack anymore. And overall stitching on the shoe is on point. Like all Jordans, basically, they are pretty good on the stitching, and that's usually how we could set apart from the fake ones. The bubble here, you see it's a gray color similar to the elephant print, and on the tongue we use red because the last retro was blue, but the true OG is supposed to be red. Some people don't like it, but let's say that for me, I stick with the OG. And now let's take a look at the other shoe, because a lot of the elephant print that I've seen are not matching on both shoes. Some of them has really thick print on one side and super thin print on the other one, but mine were pretty good. But I have to tell you that this is like my third pair. I had to exchange a few times because there's some missing pieces on the print somehow, or some massive glue stains on the print. That is one big problem whenever you have like a mass produced shoe like this one. But yeah, overall the quality was okay, but for $300 I expect better. Now let's move on to the next one. That's the Jordan 4, and it's another OG colorway, white cement, and this one again, it's retail for $2.95 Canadian dollars. Let's take a look at this one. So first of all, let me take out the shoes and show you the paper. And this one has no print, nothing special, almost like a garbage bag kind of material on it. And let me show you the shoes. This colorway, it's probably my favorite colorway of Jordan 4. Probably the bread is another one that I really liked, but this one, it's one of those top ones. Look at that, the white cement. I really like how they executed this one. Like the speckles were on point. They were not too big, not too small. They're spread quite evenly. And here you see those little wings. Love those wings. And here, let's take a look at the stitching. It's on point. Like you can see, super nice stitching all around. The spacing, it's pretty even. And look at those speckles. I would say that these are just right. If more than that, it will be too much. Less than that will be not enough. And let's take a look at the patch here. It's sewn on, and you have embroidered Jordan Jumpman on it with the flight word. And at the back of it, you have Air Jordan. The tag is in reverse. That's how the OG was, because it's not meant for you to see it. It's meant for you, the person in front of you, to see it. And inside, you have on the insole says Nike Air, and at the back, now they put Nike Air back. The last retro was Jumpman. Again, I'm true to OG. I like it when it's OG. So Nike Air it is, and in the outsole you have Nike, not Jumpman. Oh, and True Blue Fury as well, it's Nike, not Jordan. Now this is what I like, and let me compare left and right just to show you guys how even it is on the speckles. There you go. You don't find it odd that one shoe has more than the other, even though speckles are so random, but it's very even on both shoes, the way they put the speckles on. And in terms of the stitching, it's the same thing, not much glue marks, and the quality of this one's a lot better than the Jordan 3, I would say. There's not much overpaint, not much glue stain like I said earlier. Overall, I think it's a very great execution of the Jordan 4. Okay, and at last, February 2018, they're gonna release the Black Cement 3 again. Let me know in the comment section below, are you gonna cop or drop? Alright, thank you very much for watching. Hope you liked the Jordan 3 and Jordan 4 that I showed today. Next video, I'll be showing 2 pairs of Jordan 5. Do you know what it is? Can you guess it? Let me know in the comment section below. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. And until next time guys, bye bye.